Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
India has issued an RFI, that is Request for Information for the Procurement or Leasing of 3 to 4 countermeasure vessels, that is MCMV, for the Indian Navy. MCMVs are used to clear harbours and other critical areas of mines laid by the enemy submarines and vessels. While at one point Indian Navy had not one but 12 of them, right now they have 0 and are dependent on kits fitted on smaller ships to counter the threat. The Navy has been unsuccessfully trying to procure these vessels since 2005. Attempt to procure the MCMVs from South Korea's Kangam Corporation failed after the company was hit by controversy twice, ultimately leading to the cancellation of the project. The first controversy broke during the UPA government when allegations that the firm had appointed quote-unquote consultants for the contract in a violation of the Indian procurement rules surfaced. The firm came back into the picture a second time when Manohar Parrikar was the defense minister. The firm was shortlisted to tie up with Goa Shipyard Limited, that is GSL, for the contract. However, when Nirmala Sitharaman, that is the current finance minister, became the defense minister, she cancelled the contract after the company failed to commit fully on the TOT, that is transfer of technology. Interestingly, the RFI issued now is sought only from a foreign government or a shipyard backed or funded by a foreign government, which would offer sovereign guarantee through what would be called as a government to government agreement, that is G2G. The Navy needs the MCMVs to locate, classify and neutralize all types of ground and moored mines, mine laying, channel conditioning, route survey, sanitization, local naval defense, search and rescue, as well as MIO, that is maritime interdiction operations, and the visit boat search and seize ops. As per the plan, 3 to 4 MCMVs are proposed to be procured or leased. The anticipated delivery timelines for the first vessel is a maximum of 10 months from the signing of the contract, followed by delivery of subsequent vessels every 4 months. Vendors may indicate their comments on the timelines for the delivery in their response to the RFI. The RFI is either for outright procurement of an in-service decommissioned MCMVs which can be retrofitted to Indian Navy requirements, or the lease of an in-service decommissioned MCMVs which again can be retrofitted to the Indian Navy requirements for 10 years, extendable to 15 years, with an actual option of acquiring the asset at the end of the lease period at a price agreed at the beginning of the lease. India's last remaining MCMV was the INS Kozhikode, a Pondicherry-class minesweeper built for the Indian Navy by the Soviet Union, which was decommissioned on 13th April 2019. Sources had in December told The Print that countries like Russia, South Korea, and even the US have such equipment which can be taken on lease. For The Print, this is Snehish Alex Philip. Do subscribe to our Print's YouTube channel for more such videos.